Welcome again to another video. I want to do some cooking today, but before I start cooking I need to show us a product. Maybe that's what you call it, but it's the first time I'm getting one of these and I want to cook it. Here's the product. What the heck is this? Can anybody say what this is? I have an idea. Let us turn it over a little. What does it look like? Yeah, that's correct. This is a banana flower. Some people call it banana navel or banana navel. We are going to look at this today. But first, it is ideally called banana blossom or banana flower or blossom flower. In the Asian countries, it is used mainly as food. Yes, in the Asian countries, it is used as food, and we want to prepare this. I wonder how it will taste. It is the first time I'm going to prepare it, so you have to bear with me and follow as I go. I had gone ahead and look up to see how other persons have prepared it. Some Caribbean personnel, but mainly the Asian, they have done a very good job with it. So stay with me, man. Leave a comment below if you have seen the preparation before or you have tasted it before. I think this will be a wonderful video. Watch it to the end. There are some very important benefits that you will learn during the process. Again, mmmrowe. So we are going to remove all of these flour, put them in a container, and then we proceed from there. Here I've got a plate. I'm going to take off these. Even the protective covering there can be eaten. So let us try and remove another leaf or part of the leaf. So here we have some more, and we are going to have them placed right there. We're going to do a number off. And we're going to do a number off, and you will see. I have removed much of the flour. And this is what I have. Banana flour. I have a soft part of the navel. And these two we're going to cut or process. So the first thing, we have to be careful as to how we remove the style. So the style that leads to the over, that's little black part here, we are going to remove it. Bring it a little closer. We're going to remove all of it. So it's going to be a little laborious because it's hardy and we want to remove all of it. This is the leaf or part of the spadix that we have left, and we are going to discard it. So we're going to use all that we have in this plate. Watch until the end so you can see how this preparation will go. So we are going to remove the style, that little black part. There it is. We're going to remove them. And this is time consuming, and this is a good way to get the family involved. We're removing all of the style. And in biology, you I've learned that this is part of the female reproductive system. This is also the little part that form what we call the banana navel. There's a number of. Let me start with the larger ones. 1, 2, 3, and we take off these little flower petals, so to speak, little petals. So we go a little faster. Much of these aren't open. 1, that goes. We take it off. 2, and you can see it's a dark area. So it is the center. This also would lead to the ovary. And once the pollen grain fall on here, it will develop into a finger of banana. These are the unfertilized flower. Number of them. It will take some time. So I am just showing you a part of, and the rest of it I am going to do off camera. So it's a lot of work. Next I will show when I have completed all of. So this set is finished and I'll separate them. Once they're finished, you separate them. So I'll have number of flower here. Number of flower. And you will see in the end when I'm through with the separation. Okay? Stay tuned. So here I have all the flowers. These are the flowers that I have removed. Most of the pistil or the style area, right? Because they're tough, but there are some soft ones that you could allow to go. What am I going to do next? I'm going to place them all on my cutting board, and then I'm going to cut like I'm cutting vegetable. I want to cut them too small. So process cutting. Yet I don't want to cut them too large. I want to get complete cut. So I have a good amount here. So this is preparing, cutting these banana blossoms. As I cut, I move along to get space. So I'm cutting the blossoms. Nice little small pieces, manageable. Well, what I'm going to do or how am I going to prepare, you have to just watch the video to the end to find out what I'm going to do. Right? This may be new for you, or you may be familiar with this, but if it is new, watch every detail. So here I have cut. So I've cut, wow, and I've made a nice little heap. Right? So here is the other part of the blossom, looking white, or the navel. So I'm going to cut off the tip, quite soft. I'm going to cut this end. Some little area there that I had been. So I'm coring it. Coring it. Watch me cut as I go, coring it nice. Again, you can core and cut however you want. This is how I have cut mine. There it is. Not looking bad at all. What say you? Not looking bad at all. Taking out the larger center part. Not looking bad at all. So I'll take those off. Clean up shortly. And this is how it looks. We know that banana has a whole lot of stain. So ideally you should have on a pair of food gloves. Here are the health benefits of banana flour.